Isa pang namamangha ako na architecture design nitong zoo na ito ay ito. Nandito kami ngayon sa may bridge na ginawa nila. At nasa baba naman yung lion. So basically, hindi nila mararamdaman na nakakulong itong lion. Ayan siya, o nasa baba lang siya. So bali, hindi makakakyat yung mga lion dito sa taas. Anong ginagawa niya?
What you gonna do to the dinosaur, Tali? What are you gonna do to the dinosaur? Kuya, stand up, dirty.
Stand up. See, look at the rat. Oh, it's a big rat. Ayan, oh. Asan ba yung ano nila? Wala yung ano name. Capybara, sabi ni ano?
What?
Ni
What?
sabi ni Isaiah, Sia. Capybara. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Ito, tingnan natin dito. Yung ano, pangalan. What's the name? Where is it? Capybara. It's a family of guinea pig. But it's a big one. Ayun sila, ang lalaki. Family of guinea pig. Alright, let's go next. Come on. What's that? Overripe. See, be careful the dinosaur, ha? It's big, oh. Can I taste it?
Oh, sorry.
Pumasok na to. Dinosaur.
Hi, Tatay.
Hello. You happy on your birthday? How old are you? How old are you? Let's go, let's go. Ikot-ikot pa kami. Isa pang namamangha ako na architecture design nitong zoo na ito ay ito. Nandito kami ngayon sa may bridge na ginawa nila. At nasa baba naman yung lion. So basically, hindi nila mararamdaman na nakakulong itong lion. Ayan siya, o nasa baba lang siya. So bali, hindi makakakyat yung mga lion dito sa taas. Kasi masyadong mataas yung fence. At may mga barrier din sila. So silipin natin dito. Where? Where? Asan? Ayun, ang laki, oh. Yun. Ayun, it's big. Isaiah, ayun, oh.
Here's the other lion. It's coming. Look.
It's coming, look.
No, here, the big lion ski.
Ay, oh my God. Yan. Be careful.
What's that, Isaiah? Oh, it's the
Nakikita ba niya? Buhatin mo nga siya, Bless.
He can see it. Can you see the lion?
Malabo siya.
Where's the lion?
Ayun, oh, nakaiga sila dalawa.
There. Is that the lion?
Ayan, taas mo. Oh.
What does the lion say?
Can you
It's
see
big.
it? You like the
It's
lion?
big.
Let's see. Punta mo na bagyo.
Ayun, oh. She wants to see too. Hindi, pakita mo lang. Pakita mo lang. Want to see, sabi niya. Ayan, oh, natatanaw niya yung lion.
You want to see the emu? Go see the emu.
Next. Ostrich yan, di ba siya? Emu? I think it's a family of ostrich.
I think that's an ostrich.
Yeah, where is it? Walang name, eh.
Look, it's a giraffe.
It's Happy Harold! Yay!
Ayun, oh, emu daw. Sabi ko ostrich, eh.
Look at the giraffe.
Asa yung giraffe?
Where's the giraffe?
Ayun, it's big.
Oh, yeah, where's the giraffe?
Ayan, tingnan natin.
Yeah, look, what's that?
Ayun. Ayun yung giraffe. Oh. Pwede niya kayong abutin yan. Sabi ko sa iyo, ostrich, eh.
Whatever, it's fine.
Oh, di ba? I'm right.
Well, it was close. It's not like how you called the capybara or rat.
Hmm?
Look, it's Happy Harold.
Ostrich yan, nak.
Okay.
Ba't namumula ka?
Huh?
Namumula ka? Mainit? Mainit? Oh,
Oh,
roasted.
look, it's the thing as well.
May zebra din, oh. Hindi sila nag-aaway, no?
Look at the zebra.
Friend yung zebra at saka yung ano. Giraffe.
Look at the zebra.
Did you see? It's there. Come on, buhatin kita. Papakita ko sa kanya yung zebra. Ayun. At saka yung ano, giraffe. Ayun, the big one, oh. Wakit siya. You wanna go there? You wanna ride? Ay, ito yung malapitan ng, ayan, oh, close, oh. Ooh, ayan, oh. That's the one, oh. Eating the giraffe. Giraffe is eating. Sana palitan nila itong ano, to, oh. For the kids. Wala, malabo, oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Kumakain yung giraffe. Taas.
You're back there. Yeah, we'll pick up wherever.
Meron ding kambing ngayon, oh. It's ano, deer. Tsaka ano, may buffalo.
Yeah, we'll pick you up.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's you.
Ha?
The rhino.
Is that rhino? Laki. Hindi sila nag-aaway-aaway, no? Yung rhino, giraffe, zebra. Diyan lang sila.
Oh, look, there comes the rhino. Here comes another big one.
Where?
Right there. There's the other rhino.
Ay, saan nanggagaling yung tubig nila, oh? Parang may river sila. Tsaka may chicken, oh. Tsaka bird. Magkakasama lang sila. Ayun yung dog.
Dog, it's a hyena.
Ayun na, it's a family of dog. Hyena. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Nag-walk doon. Oh. Did you see the dog? Hyena.
Well,
Ayun.
come to me.
Hmm.
I have to.
Buhatin mo daw siya.
Right there. Look, can you see it?
Can you see?
There, there. Can you see it?
Hindi niya makita.
Show him, show him.
Buhatin mo siya, nak. Why? Hindi, kaya mo yan. Malakas ka naman.
Okay.
Okay, ayaw niya.
What?
Ito, Aklan of Hyenas. Mahalik. Isaiah! Dinosaur is moving. Come on, let's see the dinosaur is moving.
Okay.
Look at his tail. Wow! Velociraptor. Ali, look! They are moving. Wow.
Scared. Come on.
What's wrong, Isaiah? Huh? You like it?
No.
Look, I'm holding his hand. Oh. Ah.
Don't touch that.
He's happy. He's singing happy birthday, Isaiah.
What?
Yeah, he said happy birthday. Yeah, he said happy
He's
birthday.
excited. Look, his tail is wagging.
Yeah.
He's happy.
You wanna see his tail? Touch it here, oh. Say, look. He said happy birthday, Isaiah. He said, that's what he said. Yeah.
It scared me.
No. He's happy.
No, it scared me.
He's happy.
No.
He's gonna sing happy birthday. Listen.
No.
Oh, see? Oh, let's go then.
Dogs, also known as wild dogs.
Wild dogs.
Yeah.
Ayun, oh. Are they dangerous?
Yes.
Also known as the wild dog.
You wanna walk?
Mga predator pala mga yan. Ayan, oh.
Ate Sia. Ate
Hmm.
Sia.
Ano, nangahunting sila yung mga yan. Oh. It's a dog, African wild dogs.
Hello. Wild dogs.
Mas matitindi yung mga fence nito. Ayan, oh, ang daming
Oh my goodness. I'm getting
electric
better.
wire
I'm
para
literally
hindi
getting
sila ano. I think they are dangerous
it. They are.
because look,
Also known as
so many wires. And
wild dogs.
their top speed is 60 km an hour. They're very fast. At syempre hindi makikompleto ang araw mo dito sa Sydney Zoo kapag hindi mo pupuntahan ang mga elephant. Ayan ang mga elephant. Ang kinakain din pala nila ay damo, grass na kagaya nung kinakain ng mga giraffe. At saka yung kanina, nakalimutan ko, camel. So ayun sila, oh. Ang kinakain nila. Puntahan natin sila ng ano, malapitan. Time check, ano na, 3:10 na ng hapon dito sa Sydney Zoo. Tingnan natin sila kung gaano sila ano, kalakas kumain. May mga ano rin dito, bamboo. Ayan, oh. Mga damo din pala kinakain nila. Kaya lang, ang dami nilang inuhulog din, oh. Pares lang pala sila ng kinakain ng ano, mga ibang hayop na camel, mga giraffe. Paano kaya sila mabubusog yan eh? Ang laki-laki nila. Oh, binubutas niya. Kaya nilang sipsipin gamit yung ilong nila. Oh, ayan, oh. Nihila talaga niya, oh. Hindi kaya sila ano yung, siyempre gamit nila yung ilong nila tapos maano siya yung mga balahibo nung ano, hindi kaya yung parang na-atching sila ano. Did you see the elephant?
That's you. That's you, the elephant. Yeah, that's you. It's another elephant.
I am very curious. They're using their nose, right? Hindi sila na-atching. Siyempre,
Sila, yung respiratory system nila iba sa mga tao.
siyempre lahat nung ano, mga alikabok, ayan oh, napupunta sa nose nila. That is an elephant.
What is it?
Elephant.
Sorry, what? What's that?
It's ate.
That's ate.
No, it's tatay.
It's ate? Who's
That's
that?
ate daw.
Elephant.
Oh, let's take photo.
That's ate. No.
Hindi niya kinakain yung ibang fish, no? Oh, yung bull shark. Napaka-friendly naman niya. Masarap itong isda na to. Ano, steam fish. Ayan, oh. Yung steam fish, ang lalaki.